Did you know that Hawaiian pizza has sparked a global debate on pineapple as a pizza topping? Some people love the sweet and savory combo, while others think fruit has no place on pizza. But no matter where you stand, making a semi-homemade Hawaiian pizza, starting with a frozen cheese pizza, is a convenient and delicious option. Why go semi-homemade? Making pizza from scratch is rewarding but time-consuming. Ordering delivery is easy but can be expensive and less customizable. Semi-homemade pizza strikes a balance. You get the convenience of a frozen base with the freshness of your chosen toppings. The challenge: quick, flavorful, and quality pizza. The goal is to create a delicious Hawaiian pizza quickly, without sacrificing taste or quality. Starting with a frozen cheese pizza provides a solid foundation, and adding fresh toppings elevates the flavor. Semi-homemade Hawaiian pizza. Ingredients for semi-homemade Hawaiian pizza. Ingredients in U.S. measurements: frozen cheese pizza, 1 12-inch, pineapple chunks, 1 cup, cooked ham and diced, 1 cup, red onion, thinly sliced, optional, 1/4 cup, shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup, dried oregano, 1 teaspoon, crushed red pepper flakes, optional, 1/2 teaspoon. Equipment needed: oven, baking sheet or pizza stone, knife and cutting board, measuring cups and spoons. Preparation instructions: preheat the oven according to the instructions on your frozen pizza packaging, typically around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Drain the pineapple chunks to remove excess juice. Dice the cooked ham into bite-sized pieces. Thinly slice the red onion. Place the frozen cheese pizza on a baking sheet or pizza stone. Evenly distribute the pineapple chunks and diced ham over the pizza. Add the sliced red onions on top. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the toppings. Season with dried oregano and crushed red pepper flakes if desired. Place the assembled pizza in the preheated oven. Bake for the time specified on the frozen pizza packaging, usually 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve hot and enjoy. Cook's note: consider roasting your pineapple a bit before adding it to your pizza for a bit more doneness and less moisture. Final thoughts. Creating a semi-homemade Hawaiian pizza is a quick and easy way to enjoy a delicious meal at home. By starting with a frozen cheese pizza and adding fresh toppings, you can customize the flavor to your liking while saving time in the kitchen. Whether you're a fan of pineapple on pizza or just looking for a convenient dinner option, this method offers a satisfying solution.